and versatility, of course, of what you would expect with what Tara brings us. So right here, we have a set of 3. They're reversible candle holders. You could do your like pillar candle. You then can put a tapered candle and then flip it upside down. It's a vase. All 3 have those details. Also the ribbon, you could keep it on, the bow, you could take it off. It's totally up to you. This one is your metallic option, which is your classic. Then we have the whimsy, which is just so fun and playful with different patterns and designs, from stripes to polka dots to check, in that vibrant green and red with the gold ribbon. Lots of versatility and only $31.98. It is that 3-in-1, which you are going to love. Tara, how did you think of this?
Well, so it's always about, you know, what I like to call magical transformation, where, you know, typically it's like, okay, this looks like a great way to hold a pillar. Or a taper, right? So here's your pillar. This is what you would normally think to use this for. But why can't we then have another hole in the inside? And now that pillar actually becomes a taper holder. And then why can't all of them just flip upside down and become a beautiful vase that you can now put flowers in? So depending on how you want to use these, I love that we did 3 different heights. We did a 6, an 8, and a 10-inch. And as you mentioned, that's an elastic bow that you can take on and off. So if you are flipping them upside down, you can change the bow so that it coordinates and goes back. You could marry up some of our little baby bakes on top of here, and look how fun now all of those are working together. And so again, it's all about customizing it however you want to. But this idea and this item is so fabulous because we can always use a vase, we always need something for our tapers, and we always need a pillar. So now it's all in one.
Exactly, now it's 3-in-1. This I think is so great. So here is that winter whimsy that we've done on the table. That one, or excuse me, the classics is here on the table, that metallic, but the winter whimsy, we'll take a closer look here in just a second. But I wanted to show you these because Bob from Florida picked up on the classic, or the whimsy cloche. Okay, well, let's just talk to Bob. Hey, Bob, you're live on air. It's Allie and Tara. How are you tonight?
Good morning, girls. How are you?
Good.
Hi,
hey,
Bob.
So I hear you picked up on our winter, or the winter whimsy cloche, right? So the cloche like this, but in our classic winter whimsy. So you have a few Temptations pieces, or is this your first purchase?
I have many Temptation pieces. And first of all, Tara, I've been watching you and Lisa on Instagram. I'm Bob from Disney.
I wondered if it was you, Bob. Nice to finally speak with you. Thank you for calling in.
Yes, I've been collecting. I started with the Harvest several years ago, your Harvest collection, and moved to Pumpkin Patch. I have both bakewares. I have no room in my house, but I keep buying them. And this I love because this reminds me of growing up in New York with my mom during the Christmas holidays with the snow and stuff. So I just thought this was absolutely beautiful. Because everything you design is amazing. And I mean, the quality, the price, and like you said, they're so versatile for stuff. I bought a basket weave pumpkin patch last year, kind of like the bread bowl. Looks like a bread bowl, but I use it as a centerpiece.
Oh, I love that.
You can do so many things with them. And I can't wait to get this and put it on my piano in my living room. It's going to be just stunning.
Oh, Bob. Also, Bob, you make a million good points right there, but I'm so glad, though, that Tara can kind of ship you a little snow, because you probably don't see much snow in Florida.
In Florida?
Well, who knows? With all this craziness going on, it could snow this holiday.
It could happen.
Wouldn't be surprised.
Right. Yes.
Oh, Bob, thank you so much for sharing your stories and how you use Temptations in your home and so many of the great memories that they invoke for you. I hope you have a very, very wonderful holiday season. And listen, I give you full permission. When you get this home, you don't have to wait until like decorating season. I say just put it out.
Put it out. Let's just get it started.
I have Christmas out in my house all year round. Christmas and fall are all year round in my house. But thank you so much, Tara, for everything. Your Instagrams have gotten me through this COVID crisis. So, but it's nice to finally talk to you and say, Bob from Disney is here.
Bob from Disney, and Lisa is right over there, so she is cheering you on as well. So thank you for always checking in with us.
You guys are great.
Oh,
Beautiful.
thank
I can't wait to see what else you guys have on air tonight.
Awesome.
Oh, Bob, thank you so much for giving us a call tonight. It was such a treat
And
to
may
hear
I say,
from
you girls look stunning.
Oh, thank you.
Well, thank you. That's always nice to hear, too. Thanks, Bob.
Yeah. You take care.
Oh, good night, Bob. Thank you so much. Oh, okay, so that was so nice to chat with Bob. But even when he talks about like the versatility and how to use all these different pieces, let's see, where are my, ooh, they're back
Right
over
behind
here.
you.
Thanks, Tara.
that.
She's like, they're behind you, turn around. So here is our, that whimsical, if you love your classic kind of reds and greens, these are perfect. And you get that, of course, beautiful mix of patterns in the check. But remember, 3-in-1, a vase, a pedestal, and your pillar or your tapered candle as well. All right, now here